Let's get started on another day of fleet safety. Good morning, John. Systems in check. Route is clear. Hey, John, don't forget to fill out your DVIR form before hitting the road. We noticed you were using your phone yesterday. Let's focus on the road. Watch out. It's going to be a snowy day, so drive safely. Keep it slow and secure.
Thanks, have a good one.
Your next destination is 30 miles away, and you are low on fuel, which may delay you slightly. Just plan accordingly. Here's how your driving looked last week. Your speeding moments have increased by 12%, bringing your safety score down. To achieve our safety goal, let's maintain steadier speed on the highway. Good morning, John. Let's go over today's road conditions and tasks to complete. Your focus is improving, and you're crushing goals, John. We see much less speeding, and your safety score has increased. Looks like we've come a long way with progress. You never drive alone with ZenduOne.